This is an avenue to grow lives and destinies. This is an avenue for people to grow, destinies to grow, and get to better heights in the future. The skill moment has been a very wonderful moment where I see the children very active, putting their best in everything they are doing because they want to learn new things, venture into new things. Like so many of them came having no idea on what to do, how to even do anything. But as it stands now, so many of them have or can now do so many things that they were unable to do before now.
I'm in the group of bag making. This is what I made in bag making. I'm thanking my teachers for teaching me how to make it. Without them, I will not be able to make all these things. Thank you, Special Youth Foundation.
This is baking class. I want to thank the Special Youth Foundation for giving me the opportunity to be able to learn how to bake.
These are the ingredients for the bread buns. Number one, we have flour, we have egg, oil, sugar, baking powder. So when I made something and they test it, they'll be like jumping, "Auntie, this is so sweet. I enjoy it." Now from these skills they learn, they can start up a business with maybe from the baking class, beads and cleaning agents. Thank you, Special Youth Foundation, for this great opportunity.
If you want to cut a V-shaped purse, the first thing you should think is your measurement should be a multiple of 3. Are you getting me? Because these skills that they are learning is something they can also practice on their own. And with time, they can use it to earn income. Owing to the fact that getting a job in Nigeria is really not easy. So having a vocational skill is a plus for every pupil and even every student. This is a big thank you to Special Youth Foundation for coming up with this initiative to equip the children with such kind of knowledge. And it's indeed a pleasure to be part of it. Thank you.
Punctuality and interest, because the first day that he was going, one of them is like forcing him to go, but the second day, even before 7:30, he has Baba say, mommy, I'm going. I said, I thought they said 9 o'clock. He said, no, I want to be at the front. I'm learning computer, so I want to go in time so that I can sit at the front. So I can see that interest and punctuality in him.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Rose Sunday Edet. I am the proprietress of Good Guide Academy. I want to say a very big thank you to Special Youth Foundation for this opportunity. This has been an opportunity that has never happened in the history of this community. It has been something that has been brought here for people to learn, for people to see. Honestly speaking, it has helped the youth of this community, taking them off the streets from crime, from other things which is not good, but they've been here, they've really been paying attention, we've engaged them in these skills, they've participated in everything which has made them to be special. So we are praying and saying thank you to Special Youth Foundation, because honestly, for these 4 weeks that this program has been going on, all these kids that have been roaming around, stealing here and there, burglary and other things, they've been one place being put into activities to do. Now we pray that this foundation will all come back here again to make sure that these children are taken off the streets. So I'm saying thank you, Special Youth Foundation, for this great opportunity.